Hello. In this lesson, we'll show you how to create another structure, which I call an arch. There's a famous arch in St. Louis called the Gateway Arch, and it looks something like this. But the mod that we're going to create is going to be more like a rectangle, rather than being a little bit circular here. So let's begin. I'm at the EpicMC.rock site, and I'm going to go ahead and click the Let's Code button. That'll take me to the Modly homepage. I'll click on Login to log in with my account. The first thing we should do is give our mod a name. I'm going to call it Arch. Once I do that, I will need to create a function. The function that I always need to have is one called start. Start is the main function that all mods begin with. This is where it knows where to start the program. So the arch is going to look very much like our tower mod. So if you haven't seen our tower mod, you may want to go back and check out that video. We're going to start off by creating a drone. And I'm going to create the new drone, but this is going to create an instance, so I need to assign that to a variable. And I'm going to call my drone D. Now what a drone is you can imagine it as an invisible robot that allows you to place blocks in Minecraft. And this variable D is like the name of my drone that I'm going to use to do the drawing. I'm going to go to loops and do repeat, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a tower or a stack of blocks from the ground up. I'm going to connect this to my start method. Right now it's going to repeat 10 times. I'm going to change this so it's a little bit smaller. Let's do it 5 times. And then I'm going to ask the drone again to place the block. Here it says drone D places block, and I'm going to be able to select a type of block. There are many blocks in this list, and the one I'm going to select is gold. If we did this, the block will simply place 5 blocks at the same location. So if you recall from the tower mod as well, we need to move the drone to a different location to place a block. In this case, we need to move the drone up 1 block. And so what this will do is it'll place a block, move the drone up, place another block, move the drone up, and it'll do this 5 times. Before we move on, let's go ahead and deploy the mod. Oftentimes people don't want to write the entire program only to find out that it doesn't work. So we'll try to do a little bit at a time and check it out along the way. So I'm going to click the deploy button, and it will not only deploy the mod, but it'll also save the mod. There's a copy button to save you from typing, but you can also directly type in the command that's highlighted in purple. So now let's switch to our Minecraft session. Here I'm in the multiplayer section, and I have EpicMC Rock. It's the same name as our website, so if you don't know where it is EpicMC.rock. Go ahead and join the server. And I'm going to go up to the Modly character and click on it, and that will take me to my world. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and issue the command. As I mentioned, you could have copied it or you could type it directly. So I'll type in /mod, the name of my login, followed by colon, and the name of my mod, which is Arch. And here I have my 5-block gold tower. As I mentioned, the arch will be a number of blocks standing up like a tower. Then there will be some blocks to the right, and then another block drops down so it looks like a rectangle, or 3 parts of a rectangle. So we're here, and the drone is now actually up above. Remember, we're placing the block and we're moving the drone up. And so it's at a spot where it's in the 6th position. So I'll go ahead and do another loop. This one also 5 blocks across. And we'll go ahead and place different blocks. I'm going to select a different block so you can actually see the different blocks that's being placed with this repeat loop. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and this time I'm going to choose the diamond block. And once again, I have to move the drone somewhere, otherwise it places the block at the same location. So I'm going to select the move, and I'm going to change the forward to have it move to the right. Now I want to draw blocks going down, so I'm going to go ahead and do yet another repeat loop, but this time I'm going to use the duplicate function. So what I could do is right click on it, click on duplicate, and connect it next to the other repeat loop. However, if you think about it, this time it's not actually 5 times we want to draw the block, but rather 6 times, because I'm actually 1 block up than where I started from. So I'm going to change this to 6, and I'm going to change this diamond block back to gold block. And instead of moving right, I want it to move down. Let's go ahead and deploy again. I went ahead and saved it and deployed the mod. Now I'm going to switch over to Minecraft again, and we'll find an open spot, and I'll go ahead and type in the command again, mod widget arch. And here we have a tower. You notice that it looks a little bit strange because the blue block here is a gold block, but that's exactly what we told it to do. We said place 5 gold blocks going up, 5 diamond blocks going to the right, and then 6 gold blocks going down. That's exactly what we told it to do. That's a good looking arch. Looks a little bit like the gateway. If you want a little challenge, you can try to make it more rounded like the one like the gateway arch. If you enjoyed this video, then like us on YouTube. Give us a vote on topgminecraftservers.org and other sites, and we'll see you soon.